Hi, this is Chin of MYMP, and welcome to the Bailiwick Academy platform. This is the guitar edition. I learned to play the guitar through, well, mostly self-taught, and I had a month or two of classical lessons, but when learning songs, I just listened by ear. I learned by ear from the radio, sometimes from magazines with oftentimes wrong chords, so I had to figure it out for myself. And my philosophy when it comes to learning to play the guitar or any other instrument is some say it depends on the teacher, but I believe it depends on the student. So whatever, if for example you have a teacher with 30 students, the teacher will have one lesson for all the 30 students, but there will be at least 5 or 10 who will excel. It depends on the student if how he or she will use the lesson or knowledge. So it all depends on how passionate you are with your instrument. So that's my philosophy. I've been thinking about how I would teach the songs or the chords or the theory, and I think based on my experience, the best way and fun way to learn the guitar or any other instrument is to learn it by song. My parents forced me to learn the piano. I got bored because I didn't know what we were doing. We were just reading notes, playing the exercises, and when we're young, you have a very short attention span. So I got bored, and eventually I stopped the lessons because I felt my parents felt I wasn't going anywhere. Well, that was exactly what was happening. But after more than 10 years, when I was 17, I picked up the guitar, and I learned quickly because I learned by song. Because that was very interesting. I started learning the songs that I like. I like to play, I like to sing, and what was currently popular at the time. So I think for somebody who wants to learn an instrument, whether it's a piano, the drums, or the guitar, I think it's best doing it or learning it the fun way, which is per song, because you wouldn't lose interest. You'd want to finish the song. You'd want to perform the song immediately, and you would have immediate feedback from your friends, from the audience when you play it. So I think that's the fastest way and the fun way. That being said, I hope I can share as much knowledge as I can through these videos. Thank you.